श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेशरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि वेदान्तलक्ष्मणमुनीन्द्रकृपात्तबोधं तत्पादयुग्मसरसीरिगभृङ्गराजं त्रय्यन्तयुग्मकृतपोरिपरिश्रमं तं श्रीरङ्गलक्ष्मणमुनिं चरणं प्रपद्ये. Andal, the incarnation of Bhumadevi, has given us the Tiruppavai, Vedathin with the essence of the Vedas. Today, being the 17th day of Margazhi month, first let us see the Pasuram and the meaning of the Pasurams and the Divya Desam, Sri Rama Vinnagaram, Sirgari, related to this Pasuram. அம்பரமே தண்ணீரே சோரே அறம் செய்யும் எம்பெருமான் நந்தகோபாலா எழுந்திராய் கொம்பனார்க்கெல்லாம் கொழுந்தே குலவிளக்கே எம்பெருமாட்டி யசோதா அறிவுராய் அம்பர மூடறுத்து ஓங்கி உலகளந்த உம்பர்கோமானே உறங்காதெழுந்திராய் செம்பொற்கழலடிச் செல்வா பலதேவா உம்பியும் நீயும் உறங்கேலோரெம்பாவாய். Andal, after waking of 10 Gopikas from 6th to 15th Pasuram, all the 5 lakhs Ayarpadi girls, including Andal, entered to Nandagopan Tirumaligai and got the permission of the gatekeepers, Koil Kappane, Vail Kappane, to go inside the house and to wake up Nandagopalan, Yashoda, Nappinai, Balraman and Krishna. Andal is following the procedure, that is, through Acharya only we can attain the God. So she is first waking up the gatekeepers, then that is Acharya, then Nityasuris, Mahalakshmi and Perumal. Each and every Pasuram in Tiruppavai is a message to us. The Pasuram Tiruppavai is an unparalleled one and the great Prabandham. Her husband, Rangamannar, always loves to wear the garlands worn by the Andal, சூடிக் கொடுத்த சுடற்கொடியின் மாலைகள். The external darkness is removed by the sunrise, but by daily reciting the Tiruppavai, our internal darkness, this Ajnanam, can be removed with the blessings of the Goda Devi, our Bhuma Devi, who is the mother of our earth. Andal starts waking up Nandagopalan. அம்பரமே தண்ணீரே சோரே அறம் செய்யும் எம்பெருமான் நந்தகோபாலா எழுந்திராய். In that room, Nandagopalan is first sleeping close to the door, next Yashoda, next Krishna because he is a little boy, then Balrama. Nandagopalan is sleeping first to safeguard the others. So first Andal is waking up the Nandagopalan. Nandagopalan is known for his dharmic activities. He donates clothes, water, food, ambarame, tannire, sore. He does not do this donation for fame or punyam. He treats this as his dharmam and as his duty. Being the leader of the cowherd clan, it is his duty to safeguard the people in that clan. Andal says, ambarame, tannire, sore. Nandagopalan does these donations like that. Ambarame means he will do the donation of clothes like that. He doesn't know anything other than this one. Like that he will do water service, food service. That means whatever he do, he will do to that the extreme level. The dhanam done by the Nandagopalan is the Satvika dhanam. Datavya miti yad dhanam iyate anupakarine. That is without quid pro quo. That if I receive anything from anybody only, we will do dhanam to them. That is not the correct them. This is not exchange of service or good. So whatever Nandagopalan is doing, it is a Satvika dhanam. In Ramayanam also, Valmiki says about Ramarajyam that Rakshita Sarvalokasya Dharmasya Parirakshita Rakshita Swasya Dharmasya Swajanasya cha Rakshita. Rama ruled the kingdom with dharmam and thinking that it is his dharmam, his swadharmam to protect their country people. So here also, in parallel to those words in Ramayana, Andal is telling, அம்பரமே தண்ணீரே சோரே அறம் செய்யும் ரக்ஷிதா ஜீவலோகஸ்ய by Andal. As per his Swadharmam, Nandagopalan is doing this Danam, Dharmam, etc. This Ambarame, Tannire, Sore. These are Taraka, Poshaka and Bhogya Vastus. Taraka means to sustain the life. Poshaka to grow our body. Bhogya to enjoy the luxurious to our life. Andal is telling, oh Nandagopala, we don't want these Taraka, Poshaka, Bhogya Vastus. We need Krishna only as our Taraka, Poshaka, Bhogya, everything. Like Nammalvar told in his Tiruvayamozhi, உண்ணும் சோறும் பருகு நீரும் தின்னும் வெத்தலையும் எல்லாம் கண்ணனே. Nammalvar also says, உண்ணும் சோறு, water and eating and bhogyam, everything is Kannan only for us. Like Nammalvar, Andal also telling here, Ekaika Phala Labhaya, Sarva Labhaya Keshava. The only fruit we want is Keshava only, not this material profits or punyam. Emberuman Nandagopala Elundirai. Andal is calling Nandagopalan as Emberuman because he is protecting the Nayakan, Krishna himself. Elundirai, please get up from your bed. Nandagopalan asking, what do you want? Andal is telling, with your permission, we want to marry Krishna. Without your permission, Krishna will not accept this one. Here Andal is also asking the permission of the father Nandagopalan first. Now Nandagopalan agreed. They are going to wake up the Yashoda. Kombanarkellam Kodunde Kulavilakke Emperumati Yashodai. Here Kombu means the creeper. All the ladies in the Ayarpadi are like the creepers, slender, Vanji Kodi. To all the ladies like the creeper, Yashoda is the leader. Kodunde, like a leader. Narina Muttama Vaduhu. Sita is called as the supreme leader. Like that, Yashoda also here called as the leader of the Ayarpadi girls. Kodunde, the tender leaves on the top of the creeper. Unless the whole creeper is not in a good condition, the Kodunde, the top tender leaves also will not be in a good position. Like that, Yashoda will be happy if all the ladies in the Ayarpadi are happy. Kodunde Kula Vilakke. She is the lamp which lights up whole of this clan of cowherd. Emperumati Yashoda Arivurai. Andal is calling Yashoda as Emperumati. Because she is the wife of the Emberuman, she is Emperumati. But as per Shastra also, whatever good things are done by the husband, half of the punyam will be shared to the wife. So in spite of her good things, Yashoda is getting the half of the punyam of Nandagopalan also. So she is Emberuman's wife, Emperumati. Arivurai. Andal is telling Nandagopala Elundirai to get up from the bed. For Yashoda, she is telling Arivurai, you please wake up. Because Yashoda can do the things and fulfill the requirement of the Andal merely waking up itself, even not getting up from the bed also. Then they want to wake up Krishna. Here, the order of sleeping is Nandagopalan, Yashoda, Krishna and Balaraman. Nandagopalan, Yashoda and Krishna. This is like a pranavam here. Akara, Ukara, Makara Shabdam. Nandagopalan is like a Bhagavan, Akara Shabdam. In the middle, Mahalakshmi is there. Ma, Makara Shabdam, Krishnan is sleeping there. Here, Yashoda is the liaison between the cot and cradle because she is the liaison between the Paramatma and Jivatma. But now here, Yashoda is the liaison for the Andal Goshti and the Krishna. This Andal Goshti, Jivatma are waiting to join with the Paramatma, and Mahalakshmi, Yashoda is the liaison between these two people. In Ramayana also, when Rama, Sita and Lakshmana are walking in the forest, Valmiki is telling it is like a pranavam walking. Agrata pratayai Ramaha, Sita madhya sumadhyama, Prishtatasu tanushbani, Lakshmanodu jagamaha. Akaram, Rama is walking in the front, in the middle, Sita like Mahalakshmi, third, Lakshmana, Makaram. So Sita is the liaison between the Bhagavan and Jivatma. After waking up Yashoda, Andal is telling, அம்பர மூடறுத்து ஓங்கி உலகளந்த உம்பர் கோமானே உறங்காது எழுந்திரார். Out of all avatars, Andal likes Trivikrama avataram. So here also she is calling Krishna as the Ambara Mudaruttu Ongi Ulagalanda. You measured all the lokas with your feet cuts through the sky. Umbar Komane, leader of all devatas. But Krishna did not get up. Because Andal did not wake up the Balarama first, that is Nityasuri, Krishna is not getting up. Now Andal realizes, then she is telling, Sempor Kailadi Chelva Baladeva. Balarama is wearing a golden ornament, Kadal, like anklet in his foot. Kailadi Chelva. He is wealthy. Wealth he has is the service for Krishna. He is the incarnation of Adisesha, and in Ramayana, as a brother he did the service, and in the Krishnavataram he has come as Balarama and did service to Krishna. Andal is praising Balarama as Sempor Kailadi because he was the one first kept his foot on the earth. After Balarama's birth only Krishna born. After the golden foot of the Balarama was kept, Krishna could survive. Sempor Kailadi Chelva Baladeva. Umbiyum Niyum Urangelor Embavai. Umbi means your brother. Always Bhagavan wants to call him with the reference to the devotees. So here also, directly without calling Krishna, Balarama's brother, like that only Andal is calling Umbiyum Niyum Urangelor Embavai. Please you both wake up and come out. In this pasuram, Andal clearly explained the way to reach the Bhagavan. In tomorrow's pasuram, Andal is going to wake up the Nappinai Pirati, the Purushakaram. The Divya Desam referred for this pasuram is Kaji Srirama Vinnagaram, Sirgaji. The key phrase in this pasuram is Ambaram Udaruttu Ongi Ulagalanda Umbar Komane. In Periya Tirumozhi, Tirumangayalvar praises this Devadesam Perumal Thadalan as ஒரு குரலாய் இருநிலம் மூவடிமண் வேண்டி உலகனைத்தும் ஈரடியால் ஒடுக்கி ஒன்றும் தருக என மாவலியை சிறையில் வைத்த தாடாளன் தாளனை வீர். Moreover, in this Dividesam is Trivikraman. Thadalan. Urchavar is Trivikrama Narayanan. Tirumangayalvar recited 10 pasurams for this Divyadesam. This Divyadesam is very significant for Tirumangayalvar. Sirgaji was a Saiva Kshetram and Tirunjana Sambandar was there. When Tirumangayalvar went to this place, all his followers were praising the Tirumangayalvar. Then there was a discussion, deliberations between the Sishyas of Tirunjana Sambandar and Tirumangayalvar about the greatness. Then Tirunjana Sambandar tells that, let us see the greatness of Tirumangayalvar also. Tirumangayalvar recites all the pasurams, and at last Tirunjana Sambandar also felt very happy, and he presented his spear veil to the Tirumangayalvar. From that time onwards only, Tirumangayalvar was having the veil in his hand. So this is the Divyadesam where Tirumangayalvar was presented with the veil. Sirgaji is one of the Solanadu Divyadesams. Sri Mattavilunkurali Sameta Sri Thadalan Swamine Namaha. Let us wake up Nappinai tomorrow and proceed to wake up Krishna also in the next pasurams. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Godayai Namaha.